Oh, what's up YouTube, this is Mox Lotus, and today we're opening up one of the 2013 Commander pre-constructed decks, Nature of the Beast. So these are 100 card decks because it's Commander, and I got this because, well, at my locals they had it for $30, and you might think like, well, that's the MSRP, but in Australia things are really expensive. Like, before I got it for $30, the cheaper I'd seen them go for is $45, and I'm talking about like this deck, not the Mindseas one or anything. So it was a bit of a steal, and it does contain a lot of the cards I need to not complete my Trust Tiny EDH deck, which I'll probably be profiling fairly soon, but definitely contains a good chunk of them. So we're going to open it from the bottom, so I don't think the actual package will be able to come out at the top. Alrighty. So we've got here the big oversized Marath Will the Wild promo, and yeah, it doesn't look like there are any cards behind it. It's got a weird card backing as well, but whatever. So here we have this pretty cool box. I guess this is where you can store your deck if you don't have a deck box. And alright, so they come in here. We also have an oversized Garhiji, the Honoured one. This card's pretty cool. We'll talk about them in a minute. And I also have the Mael, the Anima. This is a reprint, I think. And yeah, so Marath Will the Wild, what he does is he enters the battlefield with a number of +1/+1 counters on it, equal to the amount of mana spent to cast it. So at the start it's 3, and then when he gets like removed, which is inevitable, that will be 5, and yeah, so he gets bigger and bigger. And then for X, you can remove X +1/+1 counters from him, and you can either put X +1/+1 counters onto target creature, or it deals X damage to target creature or player, or you can put an XX green elemental creature token onto the battlefield. And there was a recent like errata ruling thing, whatever, with this, where X couldn't be 0, and yeah, so with Garhiji, the Honoured one, it is a 4/4 for 6. Whenever a creature attacks one of your opponents or a planeswalker an opponent controls, that creature gets +2/+0 until end of turn. So it kind of gives your opponents a bit of an incentive to attack each other. And then we've also got Mael the Anima. It is a 2/3 for 3, and for 5 you can tap it. Look at the top 5 cards of your library, and you may put a creature card with power 5 or greater from among them onto the battlefield, and you can put the rest on the bottom of your library in any order. So it's pretty cool if you've got a lot of beasts. And yeah, so I've got the deck here, and then it's also all the rules inserts and all that, like how to play. But yeah, let's get to the deck. So this is 100 cards as well. And it's packaged a bit weirdly. So yeah, there are a lot of cool cards in here. There are, I think it's 15 new cards, and we've already seen 2 of them, which is Marath and Mael the Anima. And speaking of which, our first card is a small size version of Marath. Just get to focus there. And we already know what he does. I'm not going to go through the effects of all these other cards because I just don't have time. But we have a Grazing Gladeheart, Crowsand Warchief. We have another Mael the Anima, Drum Hunter, Mold Shambler, Terror Ravager, Ravenous Baloth, Spellbreaker Behemoth. We have our Garhiji, the Honoured one, Rakeclaw Gargantuan, Spite Bellows, Deadwood Treefolk, Crater Hellion, Magus of the Arena, Baloth Woodcrusher. Got a mythic here, Rampaging Baloth. This is going in my deck. We also have a value ran it, and one of the main reasons why I got this deck, Avenger of Zendikar. My local sells the Zendikar version. Wait, I can't remember if it's Zendikar or Worldway, but it sells like the original version of it for $10, and I mean this deck was 30. And there are a few cards we'll get to later that like combined with the Avenger of Zendikar make up for the MSRP. Oh yeah, so we have a Crozan Tusker, Archangel, Eternal Dragon, Naya Soul Beast, and now onto artifacts. We have Soul Ring. This is a really good card, like a commander staple. A lot of people don't really like it and they're kind of opposed to it, but it's alright. Like, I kind of needed one as well, and it's $15 at my locals, so it's pretty cool. We also have a Swiftfoot Boots, Druidic Satchel, Behemoth Sledge, Seer's Sundial, Tower of Fortunes, and we've got a Darksteel Mutation. It's a really good card. Also got Curse of Chaos, I think it's one of the new ones. War Cadence. We've also got Curse of the Forsaken and Curse of Predation. We've got Fires of Yavimaya, Where Ancients Tread, Witch Hunt, Mystic Barrier, Warstorm Surge, Spawning Grounds, Boros Charm, Sprouting Vines, Naya Charm, Slice and Twain, Straight Spasm, Restore, Hull Breach, Cultivate, Fiery Justice. That looks pretty cool. We've got From the Ashes. I think this is a new card, and Temple's Discovery, Harmonize, something I've been pretty excited for, Wrath of God. And I've also got a 1 dozen eyes here. I'm going to try this out in the deck, and yeah, so it's a Trostani deck, so we'll be able to populate all of those beast tokens. Also got a Slice and Dice, Rain of Thorns, Fireball, and a Savage Twister. So now for the lands, we have a Boros Garrison, Boros Guildgate, Command Tower, Contested Cliffs, Drifting Meadow, Evolving Wilds, Forgotten Cave, Cruel Guildgate, bit of a mouthful, Homeward Path, Jungle Shrine, Carlini Garden, and one card I've been pretty excited about, Mosswart Bridge, Naya Panorama, New Benalia, Opal Palace. I think this is like a new card that's kind of like, last time it was the Command Tower, that's kind of like the staple land now. It's also Opal Palace. And we've got Ruptured Spire, Secluded Step, Selesnya Guildgate, Selesnya Sanctuary, Slippery Cast, Smouldering Crater, Temple of the False God, Tranquil Thicket, Vidu-Ghazi the City Tree, and lastly, Vivid Crag. Then after that we've just got a bunch of mountains and some, let's get more, forests and some plains. So, pretty cool deck overall. I know that I know the quality of the video wasn't too bad, but it's pretty hard to record as well. It's actually pretty exhausting holding that deck for a while, but yeah, so stay tuned because on the channel we're going to be doing some more Friday night packs, so and Friday's 2 days away, and we're going to either be opening up a M12 core set pack or a Mirrored and Besieged Phyrexia faction pre-release pack. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. And so if you guys want to see those, remember to subscribe to the channel. And already we've opened up some pretty cool stuff, such as an Eventide pack, and well, there was something awesome hiding in that. And yeah, so thanks for watching again. Hopefully you liked the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.